Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart today. Stay with me, let's check him out. As always, we are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. Actually, Bitcoin is breaking all the resistance to the upside I was expecting after the reaching to this upper line of this ascending broadening wedge we have got with the two orange line. I was expecting actually a little bit correction for Bitcoin to the downside, but now Bitcoin is still going up and it doesn't stop from rising. What I can show you in here, actually, if we use the Fibonacci extension from the low to the top and go back to the low we had about $14,400, actually at the moment Bitcoin is reaching to the 127% of the Fibonacci extension, and the next resistance we have got is about the $19,500 area, and after that actually what do we have is about $21,000. But I think a $19,500 area for now is going to be a good resistance for Bitcoin, because on the few chart when I check Bitcoin, actually $19,500, it makes sense for Bitcoin to make a little bit correction the downside, at least, which is about I think 10 or 12 or something like that percent, or maybe around the 15% to the downside. But now at the moment Bitcoin is still rising up. If I go to this chart I have got in here, the pattern I have got, actually this purple line was working really great in here as a resistance and in here as a support. If we continue this one to the upside, actually it makes sense for Bitcoin to go back and have a correction at least to about $17,000 area after reaching to $19,500. We are not that sure at the moment. Maybe we are going to see a correction from this area, but at the moment the 127% of the Fibonacci extension is working as a resistance, but it is not that important at the moment. Maybe Bitcoin is going to break this one to the upside as well. But the thing we have got in here, the upper line of this broadening wedge we have got is working as a resistance at the moment. If you see in here, once we touched this trend line, actually the second time was about $15,800, which was a really good resistance. After that we saw a rejection to the downside, but this third time actually we are seeing Bitcoin as about $18,000. It's reaching to the upper line as well at the moment. If I show you another the thing is, actually we have got the 161% Fibonacci extension, about the $19,500 area. On the other chart, if I show you, what do I have in here? I was talking about this resistance for like a few weeks at the moment, and I show it to you what these resistance are working. They are parallel together. The thing is, after Bitcoin broke above this resistance we had about the $16,200, I told you if Bitcoin could break above this one, we are going to see the next resistance working for us. But if Bitcoin going to fall back down, the next support we have got this trend line, which is about $14,600. At the moment Bitcoin is breaking to the upside, and what Bitcoin did actually, after Bitcoin was playing in this area with two red daily candle, actually after Bitcoin broke above this area, which was about $16,200, is still rising up. And I think the next resistance we have got with these yellow lines, yellow trend lines, actually what do we have in here? Actually we have got $19,200 for Bitcoin. Maybe is going to work as a resistance. In the previous chart I told you I'm expecting $19,500, which is working as a 161% of the Fibonacci extension we do have in this rally at the moment. But on this chart what we can see, the next resistance we have got in here is $19,500. That means $19,000 to $19,500 is going to be a good resistance resistance for Bitcoin. Maybe I'm not 100% sure at the moment because we have got too much FOMO on the market. Maybe we are going to see a rejection from that area to the downside, but the important thing is Bitcoin cannot break this one to the upside again. The all-time high is not that far away. Actually, we are only about 9% or yeah, it is about 9% to the all-time high we had in 2017. We are not that far away. Actually, after 3 years, finally we are seeing Bitcoin is reaching to the all-time high again. The other thing I'm going to show you is really important for all the cryptocurrency at the moment. If we use the Fibonacci retracement, actually from the top we had, if you see here, we had actually $760 billion on the cryptocurrency. And if we go to the high to the low for the Fibonacci retracement, the low of that was about only 91 billions on the dollars on the cryptocurrency. Actually, if we go from the top to the low, what can we see in here? The 61% of the Fibonacci retracement is reaching at the moment. All the crypto market we do have at the moment, they are reaching to the 61 Fibonacci retracement, which is really important for all the cryptocurrency. I know all the money is going at the moment to Bitcoin, but maybe we are going to see a crash on all the cryptocurrency in the next few weeks. If the market trying to grow one more time, actually till December, the next resistance and important resistance we have got on all the crypto market is actually about the $530 billion. After that, I'm expecting a little bit, not a little bit, a huge correction for Bitcoin. Actually, Bitcoin and all the cryptocurrency, if the cryptocurrency cannot break this $530 billion to the upside, I think a very big correction, maybe around that 30 or 25% correction, is going to the market before Christmas. And from now, because all the FOMO on the market at the moment, from now till Christmas, actually you need to be careful, because maybe we are going to see a huge correction on Bitcoin and all altcoins. And be aware of that one. Maybe soon is going to be happening in the next few weeks. Maybe we are going to see Bitcoin to reaching to $19,000 or even $20,000. But at the moment, what we can see on the chart in here, this resistance is really important for all the cryptocurrency. Maybe after that, we are going to see a huge correction in the next few weeks. The 61% of the Fibonacci retracement is always been important for all the markets. The other thing I'm going to show you actually is Ethereum. Ethereum is challenging at the moment to reach to the $512, which I told you in the last few days. At the moment, what do we have in here? The previous high is broken and Ethereum actually is above the previous high we had, was about $475. The next target we can see in here, as we use the Fibonacci extension, actually is $512. The 61% of the Fibonacci extension on Ethereum is about $560. And that was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and see you guys in the next one.